Hello friends, I hope you're well. I did experiments back in the fall when I repotted my big Propagation. I got several cuttings from repotting and decided to put them into different medium in soil, Leca, and water to see which method promote the most root growth. I'll put a link right here if you want to check out that video. Now it's time to update you guys on the result. I had to say at the beginning, I put them under my growing light. Later, I moved them near my windowsill when I moved all my Hoya there. I recently moved all my cuttings back under growing light when the nighttime temperature got too cold near windowsills. I believe moving them back and forth, changing their environment, actually affect their root growth. So without further ado, let's see the result. So I have the one in the water right here. Let me show you how the root goes. It actually growing really good. There are tons of roots on them and they look really good. All the leaves are very plump and they're all very healthy. So yes, put them in the water definitely promotes a lot of root growth. They didn't grow as long as the other method, but there are tons of roots. Here is the one in Leca, and as you can see, there's a lot of long roots. I'll pull it out so you guys can see it. So here is the one in Leca. It actually has a lot of root growth. It's not as many roots as the one in water culture, but in Leca one, they actually grow really long. Here is the one in soil, and let me take it out of the soil so you guys can see. It's probably hard to see. So there are also a lot of root growth, and they're compared to the water culture, they're actually long, but not as long as the one in Leca. And but there are more root growth in soil than in Leca, that's for sure. So I hope you guys can see that. So here's what I learned from this experiment. All three methods promote really good root growth, but these three methods also has their different limitations. So for the water culture, it promotes a lot of root growth, but the length of the roots is short. It's the shortest among all three. On the other hand, in the Leca, they have the longest root growth, but they have the least amount of root in the plant. While soil is kind of in the middle, it has a pretty good root growth in length and pretty good root growth in the quantity wise. So it all depends on what you want. You want the longer roots, go with the Leca. Or if you want a tons of root growth but not too long, then water culture might be a good choice. Or if you want both of them, then soil is the one in the middle. Next, I'm going to actually pot all of my cuttings into soil because I learned from this winter that unless I put all my plants in water and Leca under growing light, they do really bad in this cold weather. I live in South Carolina. We actually don't have that cold weather, but when the cold hit, it's like a freezing white cold, and it was so freezing that actually my plants in the water and in Leca, they get frostbite. So they started losing leaves, their roots started rot, and you can see it's all from cold damage. Unless I put them under growing light, they are not gonna survive this winter. So I'm actually decided to put all those cuttings into soil and put them under the window, near the windowsill for them to survive this winter instead of under the growing light. Here are my results from this small experiment. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please click like and subscribe. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a good holiday season. Happy growing!